How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the proof room. Today we're going to be cleaning our still. Alright guys, today we're going to be cleaning our still, and what we're going to use to do that is just simple white vinegar. I have 2 gallons of this. I'm going to do 2 gallons of white vinegar, 3 gallons of water, and we're only going to run one element. We're going to run our bottom element here, and once we get that heated up, the vapor will travel through our column and clean the inside of the column. Alright guys, this is the first time that I've been testing out my PID controller here, and right now I have both elements on and I have the temp set to about 220 degrees. I'm gonna just let this pot boil here. Once it starts boiling, it should shoot the vapor up the column, out the condenser. I don't have any water running right now, so it just should be straight vapors coming out. And I just want to give you guys a close-up kind of here. Alright guys, now this is the settings that I have my PID controller set at. It's 222 set value and 102.6 perceived value. I'm drawing 240 volts with 240 amps. Alright guys, now once this thing gets perking, we'll be back and kind of show you how everything's working. It's starting to steam here, so we're working. It went up 100 degrees in about 3 seconds. We're going to let this thing steam for about 45 minutes. Make sure that you have your windows open and you're in a well-vented area. I mean, it's going to smell like vinegar, so let's just let it do its thing. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but the steam's coming out pretty fast. I'm going to go ahead and shut one of my elements down and just let her run. This thing's been running for about 45 minutes now. It's been steaming pretty good for quite a while. I think it's good and clean. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. Now, this thing's draining out, and while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my column. Just get all of that vinegar out of there, so that way when I do make my first run, it's ready to go. I think that'll work pretty good. I'm going to do the same thing to the keg. I'm just going to rinse this keg out real quick and make sure everything's good to go. Alright guys, now I'm just going to finish letting this thing drain. I'm going to dump my buckets and call her a day. So if you liked what you saw here today, if you learned something, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. Have a good day.